Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2022 BMW 750i XDRIVE. This is finished in carbon black metallic. Turbocharged V8 engine. And this is equipped with the M Sport package. .360 surround view camera system. Driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash. Back here at the driver rear, same thing, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Those are the 19-inch M double spoke style wheels. Nice LED tail lamps. There is a small boo-boo back here, just below the trunk lid there. Back here to the passenger rear, same as the others, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Try and get you guys some more looks down the body lines here. And finally up here at the passenger front, same as the others, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. And here you can see the line does have a partial front PPF, so partial hood, front bumper, all covered in PPF, as well as the mirror housings. We'll take you to the interior. We've got a Mocha leather interior, massive back doors, Harman Kardon sound system, illuminated door sill guards, and all the space you need back here. Three-stage heated outboard seats for the rear passengers, and dual zone climate control. You can see the ambient lighting on the doors. Rear seats also have vanity mirrors for the passengers, as well as their individual sunroof. Up here in the business end, memory settings, power adjustable seat. Nice Fineline black wood trim. You've got three-stage heated and ventilated seats up here. Automatic gearbox. Heated multifunction steering wheel. And fully digital instrument cluster. You also have the heads-up display, if you can see that. Current mileage 12,289. Soft closed doors, another nice feature. Folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to call us. Reach us at 614-793-1050, and there will be over 100 photos of this vehicle on our website for you to view at autoassets.com.